Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss you on singular and plurals. So singular and plural is something that which is connected largely with the noun. First, to know what is a noun. A noun is a naming word. It is a name of a person, place or thing. For example, like shoe, leaf, ball, car, clock, brush, story. Yes, these are some of the nouns. So nouns can be more than one. Like this is called as plural. If you have more than one noun, it is a plural, and if you have only one, it is a singular. Like from the word single itself, it refers to one. Singular means one, whereas plural means many. So here it is brushes. You have many brush here. If you have one, it is brush, and if you have many, it is brushes. The same way, if you have one, it is monkey, and if you have many, it is monkeys. Balloons, doors, cups. So these are the plural parts. So how do you make a singular into plural is by adding yes. And also we have many other things by adding es, ies, ves, all those things which we'll look into it later. So how to add yes to the singular form? See here, for shoe, it is shoes, ball, it is balls, car, cars, clock, clocks, spoon, spoons, cup, cups. So these are made into plural by adding yes at the end of. The same way here you have few examples where yes is added at the end. You can pause the video and have a look into it. And now I'll just tell you few things to remember, few rules which will be easy for you to change the singular into a plural form. So for a regular plural, we used to add yes at the end. For the nouns that are ending with y, we change y to ies. And for nouns that are ending with sh, ch, yes, x, z, we add es. The same way, if it is end with o, we will be adding either yes or es. And if it is f and fe, we used to add it with ves. Thank you.